Today we know about facts. Facts mean F for flexible AC, transmission system. Okay, transmission system. Extra high voltage or EHV, extra high voltage AC transmission system are needed for long transmission line. Okay, for long transmission line, extra high voltage AC transmission are needed, but we see that for extra transmission or extra high voltage transmission system, the losses will be occurred because of it is long distance. It is much more long distance, and we also know that in long distance the capacitance also be affected. Okay, capacitance also be affected, or the losses is increased. So we need a AC transmission system where loss is less. Okay, loss is less and efficiency is increased. Okay, then we use the flexible AC transmission system. By the flexible AC transmission system, we decrease the losses. Okay, we decrease the losses and we increase the efficiency of transmission line. So first of all, what is the fact? It is the flexible AC transmission system. Nowadays we also use the facts, but first of all we also use mechanical system. Okay, mechanical system, and in the mechanical system we also use series shunt capacitor. Okay, series shunt capacitor or synchronous generator. Okay, first of all we use mechanical switching system where series shunt capacitor or synchronous generator are used. Okay, but we see that for use series shunt capacitor or synchronous generator, series shunt capacitor means this is the suppose transmission line. Okay, we also use series capacitor or suppose shunt capacitor or synchronous generator. We also see that for improved power factor we use the synchronous generator with series. Okay, series synchronous generator are uses, but we see that for use series shunt synchronous generator the response is very low. Response of transmission line. Okay, the response is very low. So then we use the power electronics device, that's called fact. Power electronics device means switching device. Okay, that's mean thyristor, SCRs, that is triggering circuit. Okay, power electronics device which used for switching facts, flexible AC transmission system. So if we say what is the fact, the fact is it is a power electronics base and other static equipment base and other static equipment okay, that provide the control of one or more transmission parameter. That means fact control the transmission parameter. What is the transmission parameter? The transmission parameter is, what is transmission parameter? This is voltage, current, capacitance, XL. Okay, that's all are also phase angle, power factor, also transmission parameter. Transmission parameter means what the factor are included in transmission line. Okay, all are included in transmission line. This is the transmission line and it is controlled by the power electronic. That's called fact. Okay, so there are basically 4 type of facts are present. Okay, 4 type of facts are present. One is shunt connected facts, second is series connected fact, third is combined series controller fact, and fourth one is combine shunt series controller. Okay, mm, we start shunt connected fact. Shunt connected fact means this is the transmission. Suppose this is a sending end. Okay, this is the sending end, and this is the transmission line. Okay, through a long distance. Suppose this is the 500 km transmission line. Okay, this is a 500 km transmission line, and we need a proper receiving end voltage. So in a middle point, suppose this is the 250 km distance. Here we use here series controller fact. That's mean the fact is connected in series with transmission line. Okay, this is the fact. This is the thyristor device. Okay, this is a fact controller. This is the fact controller, and it is thyristor switching device which control the inductance, capacitance, or phase angle, impedance. Okay, and voltage of transmission line, and we get the proper voltage in secondary, or sorry, in receiving end side. Okay, this is the shunt connected, sorry, this is the series connected. This is the series connected. This is the next shunt connected facts. This is the transmission line, and we connected the facts. This is the facts controller. Okay, connected in parallel. This is the shunt connected fact, and another is combine series. Okay, this much is series. This one is also be series fact. This is the series fact. This is the series fact, and it is interconnected. Okay, it is interconnected. This is interconnected, and this is the long transmission line. Also one thing is rememberable, the facts is present in between above 250 km. Okay, above 250 km we also use the fact, but within 250 km we do not use fact. Okay, this is the here also is combined series connected facts are used. Now combine shunt series controller. Okay, combines, this is the shunt series controller fact. Okay, these two facts are connected on a single line. That means suppose this line, if this line is 750 km, here here two facts are connected, one 250 km and another 100 km. Two facts are with combined shunt series compensator facts. Okay, this is the in your syllabus, it is enough for you, and anybody know what is the purpose of use facts in details, then text me. I will provide you the details of the facts.